you outrun me. Bubbles, all the 12 for a night or so. That's a slim.
Like me though.
Nope. And a slim yet.
It's alright, Tony. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry, Tony.
We'll still get there.
Let me see if you can match up to some of the things that we are getting.
Listen to me, Commish. This is getting way out of hand. The country no longer has any confidence in us. What happened at FDR should not have ever happened. You realize that this is the bread and butter of Jamaica that is now being exposed to the world. We are trying to keep crime under wraps, and you are telling me you have no lead at all. And 4 or 5 men entering the resort, taking people at gunpoint. I'm not going to tolerate this anymore. Let me tell you something. If gunmen can go on a resort, this is the last straw, Commish. And you better fix this problem. I am asking you a question as a matter of fact. Why are you in office? You're making me look bad. I've given you all the resources that you require. And you cannot get crime reduced?
So, Mr. Mullins give you the detail for the assignment then yet?
No, nothing. But, you know, we just have to be ready. So once you send them, we'll just move to it.
Alright. I like that training something here, just the two of me.
Me too. I like it. I think we need to have some more of this though. You know, like a girl's day out. While we work out.
Look here. I'm done with excuses. I don't want to hear any more excuses. You realize that we could be setting the people of Jamaica to form a coup and try and get out the government, and guerrilla warfare take place in Jamaica. Innocent people go and die. Is that what you want? You think this is going to turn into our Caribbean neighbor? It won't. Not under my watch. So you get your act together. I'm done with this shit. Remember me tell you that. And if you don't fix it, within a month from now, I need answers about that resort. Because you're ramping with the people them money. I can't take no more of them people there, man. Every single time I make 2 steps forward, them take 10 behind and make me look bad. We're done with this. As a matter of fact, some new things coming. Some new things coming.
You know me, I think? Suppose we carry the girl in up here one day. You know, to help them get over the something where them go through kidnapping.
That's not a bad idea, you know. You're thinking a little girl, but I like that something about you. You always have, you click, you always have use your brain. That's nice. But what them vibe like when you go around them?
Them vibe it alright still, you know. Cause when I teach them the dancing, them love it and them feel more relaxed. But we can see them still have some tension in them body same way.
When you look on it though, you know, it's a serious ordeal them go through, you know. And this, what we are going to do, when you are going to do for them, are going to lighten their spirits even more. But hold on. It was 2 of them. None of the other 2 of them not show up?
A 3 of them come, you know, 3 of them. But the one where them say I go through the anger problem, she still I go through it.
She's still at the anger management class. We need to find a way to get her involved, get her with it, so she can start, you know, bond and get over all of this drama and, you know, put her back in another place so she can defend herself if anything and make her more alert and aware
Yes,
for when them things are come around.